Hey everybody, this is Jay from Transfer Enterprises. I am CNC Department Manager. You're gonna see the assembly for desks, returns and wall-mounted hutches. So today I would say just in four and a half hours we finished up 6 desks and 5 returns. We still have 1 more return to do and 5 more hutches to do. In about an hour the desk would be ready, just a desk, not the pedestal, the drawers. The drawers it takes 45 minutes itself. So this setup, it will take around 2 hours, assembly included and cutting and edge bending. The first piece you saw was the desk. We assembled the desk, wrap it up, make sure there's 0 errors, the product is good. After that, what you saw, the second piece was return. Same thing with that, install the pad on it. And the third piece was the hutch. Hutch is a little bit complicated because we have to do it like, we have to make sure the pins are on the right side. It's not, out of alignment or else it won't lock.